Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine, doing well. In the last chapter, we have studied about different types of plant. But today, our EVS chapter 3, part 1, plant parts and uses. We are going to learn about different parts of the plants and uses of the plants. But now let me tell you about the simple thing about the introduction of plants. Plants play a very important role in our daily life from morning to night. Whatever we take in air, we get oxygen from the plants, the food, the fruit, whatever we eat, that also we get from the plants. We use the wood as a fuel for making furniture, paper, all these things we get from the plants. So we can't live without plants. They play a very important role in our lives. Now we will start with our first topic, that is parts of the plant. The part, as our body is divided into different parts, in the same way plant also have different parts. The part of the plant that grow below the soil is called root. R-O-O-T, root. The part of the plant that grow below the soil is called root. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. S-T-E-M. The part of the plant that grows above the soil is called stem. S-T-E-M. The stem of the tree is called trunk. We have already studied in the previous chapter. The stem of the tree is called trunk. Root, stem and leaves are the different parts of the plant. Root, stem and leaves are the important parts of the plant found in all the plants. Most plants have branches. They grow from the trunk of the trees. Plants also have flowers and fruits. In this, here is the picture given, diagram is given of the different parts of the plant. You can draw in your notebook the different parts of the plant and color them and label them. The bottom part is called the root. The above part above the soil is called stem. Then there is a fruit. The green part of the plant is called leaf, and the colorful part of the plant is called flower. In this way, these are the different parts of the plant. Now, how do different parts of the plant help? The different parts of the plant help the plant in different ways. See, the first part of the plant is root. The part that is below the soil is called root. Root helps to take in water and minerals from the soil or ground. Root help to take in water and minerals from the ground. Then our second part is stem. Stem carries the water from the roots. Stem carries the water from the water to the from root to the leaves. Leaves are green in color. Leaves make food for the plant. The stem carries the food to all other parts of the plant. Stem also holds the leaves and turns them towards the sunlight. It helps the plant to stand straight. Most of the plants grow from the seed. Here the small pictures are shown of the different parts of the plant. They are separated. They are not together. They are separate. One flower is there, one leaf is there, root is there, then seed is there, and the part of the stem. In this way, these are the different parts of plant. We have shown it separately. Now we know that plants are very important for us in our daily life. So we must take care of the plants. Like us, plants also need sunlight, water to grow. So we must see that every plant, it may be small, it may be big, or it may be water plant, it get enough of water, sunlight, air, enough of space to grow. We must stop cutting the trees. We must not hurt them. We must not pluck whole plants, uproot and throw it, but we must take care of the plants because they are very important for us. We must not make so much of buildings and factories everywhere that plants have no space to grow. We must give them enough of space to grow so that we can also stay healthy. If plants are there, more trees are there, people will grow, people will also stay healthy. Plant help us to stay healthy in our daily life. So we must see that there are enough of trees, plants, and small plants, big plants are around us. They help us to grow healthy. New plants, how do new plants grow? New plants grow from the seed, from root, and from the stem cutting. I hope you have understood these two topic, the parts of the plant and how do different parts of the plant help the plants to in different ways. We will stop here. Thank you. In our next session we'll learn about the uses of plants.